You had some tweets over the weekend that caught the attention of the crypto crowd, basically calling these spot Bitcoin ETFs a mistake. Walk us through that argument.
The Bitcoin and crypto is supposed to be a decentralized asset. No one owns it. No one can control it. No one can regulate it. But what we're doing now is we're centralizing the ownership of Bitcoin into the hands of a few people. Now, remember, they may represent thousands of individual investors, but on chain, Bitcoin only sees 10 new owners coming into the market, with the biggest one being IBIT or BlackRock. This puts a potential regulatory or potential problem in this decentralization argument, because you're going to have a big, powerful group of owners, and they're going to have to abide by their regulators like the SEC and Gary Gensler, and they're already putting rules on them about, which wallets are allowable, that they won't allow in-kind transfer, and they're putting a lot of rules, and that might cause the crypto community to have to bend to those rules in order to keep the flows coming. So you're centralizing the ownership of a decentralized asset. And I just think that's incompatible in the long run if you believe the mission of cryptocurrencies to try and create an alternative financial system.
So Jim, this is an interesting point, and in my tweets on Bitcoin ETFs, I sometimes see some hardcore crypto people actually make that point. They're like, do we really want to give all our money to Larry Fink? That's one of the responses I get. Here's my comeback to that and why I was an advocate for the approval, which is the other ways to get exposure if you're kind of lazy and want to have it outsourced were expensive. Commissions on an exchange, MicroStrategy stock isn't exactly direct exposure. GBTC was like a closed-end fund. So we were like, well, at least ETFs will give investors the best possible deal in terms of the price tracking the NAV at a low cost. Seems like they're doing that. In that frame of reference, would you have any problem with that, or does that matter?
Well, no, I mean, I don't have a problem with investors wanting to buy it through an ETF. I just think that the industry itself and their, cheering this on and wanting this to happen is where I'm kind of concerned, because let's go back. Crypto is supposed to build an alternative financial system. It is supposed to be something different. It's supposed to be decentralized. It's not there, but it can be there if it gets development, it gets more coders, it gets more VC money into it to build out that system. I don't think a Bitcoin ETFs and having everybody follow into this is going to make it better. Oh, the price of these coins will go up and it'll be more likely that people want to invest in outside ventures and make it better. No, they'll just say, no, I won't invest in coding. I won't invest in VC. I'll just buy IBIT, or I'll just buy, one of the other ones, and I'll just watch it go up. And that will then retard the progress that this system is going to have, if, to put it in crypto terms, if everybody's just going to be a number go up cheerleader. I mean, yes, I want the price to go up, but I want it to go up for the right way, that we're building something of lasting value, not just everybody pile into all these 10 ETFs and let's just see if we can make a run at 70,000, the all-time high.